Hi friends out there. I'm now here at the seashore, having a relaxed time, and one way of releasing your stress is to walk at the sand with your barefoot like this. Barefoot. So you walk the sand, okay, so that you can release your stress. So this is one way of releasing your stress. So you walk at the sand, okay, in a barefoot, okay. So you walk at least a couple of minutes. Yeah, it's very good. See, right there. Okay, so para kang nagigiik ng palay. Yeah, so you walk your feet in the sand so you can release your stress. Okay, and also pwede kang magbasa-basa sa dagat. Yan. Basa lang, walang ligo. Yan. So ayan, medyo maraming basura. Oh, yan, mahirap pag pinupulyot yung dagat. So pero sarap, grabe. After a busy day in Manila doing business, so medyo relax naman. Lakad-lakad tayo dito sa dagat, lakad lang, walang ligo. Okay, just to relax and release your stress. Okay. Kasama pa tayo mga ibon, yun, mga kalapate. Grabe, sarap. So actually pwedeng maligo dito. Walang hindi na tayo maligo, basa-basa lang ng paa. Ito, yun o, kasama natin. Pigeon, yun. Nahin. Naghahanap ng mga pigeon na to, naghahanap ng fish na pwedeng kainin. Ayan o, sila. Ayan. So ito yung view ng dagat. Ayan. So ito yung Subic. Bandaron is sa Kalapakuan, Kalapandayan, papuntang ano na yan, Iba. Yan, ito yung Subic Bay. Yan. And yung nandun, yun yung Subic Freeport. Yun, international. Yan. So actually this place is a former US base. Kaya lang dahil tapos na ang kontrata nila, so umalis na dito, and the local government was able to, you know, develop this place, invite some business. Yan, kaya nagkaroon na ng mga hotels. Yan. Okay, so as I mentioned, one way of releasing your stress is you know, walking at the sun. Okay, like this. Okay. One way of releasing your stress. See? This is one way of releasing your stress. Okay. So, yeah. So if you want to release your stress too, you can come here at the bayside, okay, and then walk at your bare feet. Okay, so yeah, sarap. Surigao. That's a 360 view of Subic near the seaside. Okay, so that's all for now. So subscribe and watch, share also my channel. I can give you more videos, exciting videos. Thank you, bye bye, see you again.